Hello, folks. Good morning. Welcome to this new channel. So, this is my first video, and we are in November 29th, Indian market trading session. So, um, this video does not have a particular purpose, but I just want to, you know, introduce myself and tell you guys what I am going to do here with you guys. So I I am a trader, as you can see. Um, I trade multiple markets. I trade Indian markets. I trade forex. I actually mainly only Nasdaq futures. But I look at the major forex um pairs like Euro USD, GBP, like that. Then I trade crypto, only the major ones, not the meme coins, just the main one. Basically, I trade almost all markets, almost in all time frames actually. So yeah, uh, so I did not start this channel for selling any course. I want to tell that first, right? So yeah, and I do not intend to teach anyone anything. I'm not going to teach anyone my secret strategies or anything. So, the reason why I started this channel is actually there are a couple of reasons. One thing is everyone want to make money, right? So if I believe that if you want to make money, that you have to talk about them. I actually am not supposed to put this in the limit order. Right. So um what was I saying? Yeah. So I believe that if you want to make money, you have to talk about money. So here in this channel, we will not just talk about trading or not just charts. We will talk about money, real money. Yes. So that is what I want to do, right? and I'm always looking for people where I can um, people who I can to talk. I have the money conversations. So some for summary, the first reason is I want to have the money conversation with you guys. Yeah, that's the first reason. You know, sit in front of the charts, have a coffee, and talk with you guys about money. That's the first thing. And second thing is I have been doing this for the last 3 years right now. So I want to um, record my growth on this. So you know, uh, posting videos is not really my concern, but I'm not going to stop trading. So I will be a trader for the rest of my life. So I thought, why not document it? So uh, what is a so I think a YouTube channel was the best idea. I think, yeah. So that's the main two reasons why I started this channel, right? So but don't worry, we will talk about some, some stocks, some analysis, fundamental analysis, technicals, everything related to trading, of course. um, so yeah, and I'll tell you about myself. And I'm uh, managing about more than 1 crore right now in the Indian market, and well, actually in Indian market and in forex, yes, of course. So yeah, uh, so today the only trade I took till now is this sell I took in Indigo Paints. I have I had a trade. I bought Indigo Paints, I think, at this yellow line. I sold my some positions here, actually. I think half. So I think it was like more than 10%. Yeah, it was something like 11.9, something like that. And I held on my position, but the market didn't sustain. But as you know, this last month the market has been shown a very large correction, but still Indigo Paints stood up or consolidated a bit and then fall, then consolidate here a bit. So um I may buy it again after, you know, from this region, if it is going up from this region, right? So yeah, and Kitex Garments. I don't know if you know the stocks. So this is also one of the good stocks in my portfolio because I just bought it like two, I think 1.5 weeks ago. It already gave me like more than 20% return. I have been watching Kitex from here, right? So I was actually waiting for the if you look at the chart, the price have been rising significantly from 13 August 2024, but before that too, yes. So the fundamentals of Kitex is pretty strong actually. I've read the balance sheets, everything is looking good, and this is no investment advice. So Kitex uh, is going to expand, right? They started a kind of, not a kind of, they started a new manufacturing unit, so that will be on run, I think, later this year or the start of 2025. So my target for Kitex is actually 2000 rupees per share. So again, this is no investment advice. So the reason I didn't buy Kitex here was because the stock is good and all the fundamentals good, everything is good, but I do not enter the trade without my checklist completely checked. So I didn't get a pullback here. I cannot buy the stock or any securities at the high, anything, any crypto or whatever. I can't buy it at highs. The the basic formula of making money from trading is buy low, sell high, not buy high. So I had to wait for a pullback, but it didn't give me one. So after this consolidation, it break this level and then it gave a small correction. So the the stocks like uh, the Kitex and all that, they're not much famous like all other. Of course they are, they have volume, of course, but uh, they are not as famous as other um, stocks. So they are like special cases sometimes, some stocks, and so that's why even this is a small pullback I entered here. And after I bought it from somewhere here, I think on this candle, uh it went on the upper circuit. You can see the 5%, another pullback, and the 4.99 percentage, 4.9 percentage. So almost every day it is hitting upper circuit. So yeah, I'm at like 22 percentage return in 2 weeks. So I would like to hold this for quite a while because, as I said, my target is 2000. I may sell it before that, I don't know, but for now, what I'm waiting for is another pullback. Maybe something like one or two candles or three candles down. I will enter it again, maybe. not maybe. Yes, I will. I will buy again. Yeah. So yeah. I should get my coffee. Yeah. So as you can see, Kitex Garments has gone to today's almost upper circuit. It's 4.6 percentage in one. It's not even 9. It's not even 10 a.m. It's not even 9:45. In just in 30 minutes, it's almost 4.9%. So I'm actually I'm working on a program. Program means in a code that I created, which it's nothing too complicated or anything special. Just an algorithmic trading strategy that I built myself. Um, One day I was just lying down there and uh, I got an idea and I thought, why not try it? So I coded the whole strategy and I'm back testing it in trading view. If you have a strategy and you know how to code, you can actually back test your strategies in trading view. So I'm for that I'm actually doing some research. So that's why I'm looking at the 2-minute charts. These are some trades that it was all demo. I didn't take any of these trades, I was just studying. So yeah, so that strategy starts from 9:45 a.m. to 3 p.m. It doesn't trade between this time. It's not a big strategy or anything, but it's just automated. That's it. So this candle is 9:45. So from the next candle, uh, it will start running. It's actually 46 right now, but it's 2 minutes. So yeah. The market seems, well, the market is quite bearish, of course, but I was expecting a kind of reversal from this point. Um, there's the 200 moving average, so I was expecting a rejection from here, but oh, this was a bad day. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 consecutive bearish candles, daily candles on Nifty 50. That was bad, but it didn't give any rejection in this 200 moving average. It just went down, and there's a long-term trend line. I do not trade trend line, guys. Do not think I trade trend line, please. Right? So yeah, and So I do not trade trend line. um so I was just saying, um Nifty was in a long term trend line. Of course, it Nifty has shown a support of that trend line. So I was either like, I had 3 points in the chart. One was this moving average level. There is another trend line here, and I think there's another trend line somewhere between like 22,900, somewhere between, somewhere there, I don't know. Yeah, so these were my three levels, but it showed rejection from the closest trend line and consolidated for a bit. I was kind of sure of this red candle, but I didn't initiate any trades yesterday. uh yeah, so, and now what will happen is unsure. I don't know what the market can do. So I'm just um trying that, as I said, that algo thing. I'm just trying out now on SPI, and it doesn't work on every stocks uh because I want to trade in the short time frame, like 2 minutes. It doesn't work on every stocks, because some stocks, especially because Indian stock market, some stocks does have a very less volatility. It just consolidate, especially in 1 minute, and when it wants to move, it just opens uh, on a somewhere else, like that. So there are good stocks. ONGC is one of it. SBIN is one of it. Yeah. So, well, I'll not bore you guys with more talking. Uh, in the first video, I know you, most of you who even saw this channel didn't watch this video, and I'm sure that whoever started this video didn't finish it, because that's how the market works. That's how people work. So they did not want to put the time. So yeah, this video is not how long, like it will be like something like 20-30 minutes maybe. So they will not want to watch a 30-minute video of a guy talking random shit. They come to these videos thinking that they can get some secret strategy, so that they can use to get 100 percentage returns in 3 months. So that's not how it works. Many of you know it, many of you don't, and I am here to make you understand that that's not how it works. And whoever watched till here, congratulations. uh, you has the potential you have the potential. Congratulations for that, and I will see you in the next video.